Well, not, yeah. Okay, hey there, everybody. My name is Brooklyn, guys. So, I don't have a name. So, as you can see, there's somebody out there with an umbrella on. I hate this camera. I hate it so much. Okay. So, there's somebody out there risking their life out during a thunderstorm. So, as you can see, the Sunshine Sisters are with each other. You know, this girl named Roma Sunshine is sort of scared of thunder. Well, is scared of thunderstorms. That's why she's with her sister. So I'm sort of scared of them too. Well, not sort of. I am. If I'm scared of watching them on YouTube, then I just get surprised. You know. So no shopping is good. Okay, now seriously, what are we doing? And it doesn't concern me. This is not a story. Yes, it is. Stop saying that in every video. Alright? That makes no sense. Do make no sense. Because it doesn't concern me. But I just gotta beat him up. But yeah, watching this go on. No, I feel like we need the lights on. Hey, don't look at me. Why do I have to do everything? So, as you know, I'm experiencing a thunderstorm. Well, I've always experienced lots of thunderstorms. Can you get out of the Wi-Fi? So, we're gonna see how big the lightning is. Was that thunder? No, that was an airplane. Okay. Let's, oh, it's so dark. So there was like somebody literally risking their life out here. Oh yeah, you stay out here watching the storm. Alright, try to, I don't know, support this camera or something. Wait, what? Yeah, you heard me. I'll be back. That's how weird. Wait. I thought I saw like this. Hope it's not like this. Yes, it was, alright? That was me. They're both in that. Wait. Alright, so the light mysteriously came on. There they are. Alright, so here's that thunder. Hope somebody comes behind me, just would scare me or something. So yeah, watching this. About 10 minutes later, nothing happened. Not yet. Ah! Wait, who was that? Ah, darn it. It was a girl. Guys, I'm sorry about that, people. I didn't mean for that to happen. That was stupid of me. Well, at least we got light on. So, it's like still raining out. I heard thunder before. I'm not joking. So we watch it. I let it happen to me again. Darn it. You know, I actually wanted to get another girlfriend. You know, I guess she knows what I've been through, I think. Well, what she told me so far, well, actually, before that, she knew that you had family problems, so she wanted to be your girlfriend, but you scared her away. Well, I mean, she did, like, come behind me. Sorry about that. Sorry. That didn't mean to happen. Hey, what? Yeah, okay, that was stupid of me. So, what do you want? Did you hit that girl back there? No. Don't lie. Okay, yes I did. You know what? You don't want to take about hitting girls? Why would you care? You abuse a girl. Don't say it that way, okay? You hear me? Don't say it that way. Don't tell me what to do. Get out of my face. How about you get out of my face? Hey! Get out! I mean, seriously, we are not having a storm. This is nothing. This is fake. It's not fake. Alright, guys, this isn't fake, okay? This is real, alright? No, it's not. Get out of here, man. No, how about you get out of here? You want to admit that this storm is fake when it is fake. It is. It isn't. Now you're getting me confused, alright? You know what? I'm gonna have someone else handle this, alright? You're just an idiot. Don't do it, idiot. It isn't real, okay? This is all fake. Like, okay, actually, I don't want to disagree with you, except I have to, so the storm is real. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. If it was real, let me see the lightning. I want to see lightning. Get close to me. Stop it. Stop it. No, you get off it. What are you doing? Look, it's real, okay? No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It is. No, it's not. It is. You know what? I better stop. I can take you. You think you're so tough. It is real. Get out of here. You're stupid. I hate you. Find it there. Find it. I'm gonna die. Seriously, dude. Get out of here. What is this darn thunder? I told you this isn't a storm. Yes, it is, alright. Where's the stupid thunder? What are you doing? Oh, I just had to be over here doing that. Oh. Right, now what are you doing now? So where's the stupid thunder? What did you do that for? What? Was that even supposed to hurt me? This was, alright. Is that so? Well, so that doesn't have to be immediate thunder, or does there? What are you doing? Also, I saw that one video where you beat up my son. Put the camera down, man. I saw that one video you beat up my son. What do you mean? Don't give me that stuff. I know what I mean. What? Hey, what's that for? Was that even supposed to hurt? Are you gay? Are you? Dude, just get out of sight. Fine. Idiot. Don't call me idiot. Ugh, sorry. Okay, this is slightly awkward. Maybe slightly awkward, just tell, right? Fine then, meanie. I'm the meanie. Yeah, you are. Oh, I couldn't say. Oh God. Oh God. Alright, I'm gonna stop speeding now. I'm gonna bear this by. So goodbye. See you later. Bye bye.